Welcome back to Book Talk with Notion Press. Here we have with us Mr.
Ajay Gupte,
Author of.
Kernels.
What is one thing about your book you think stands out in its genre or theme?
Kernels is a book which is a collection of 15 short stories. And these short stories are technically the people who are next door. These are simple people, these are
Right.
common people. You would have seen them, you may not have noticed them,
Right.
but they are all around.
Right.
And it's just that you have to identify a story in that individual
Right.
and put it out on the paper.
So, is this your first book fair experience?
Book fair, yes. This is the
Okay.
first time I've come to Delhi only for this fair.
Oh, this
But
is the first time I've come to Delhi as well, actually. Yeah.
and this is my second book with Notion.
Okay, wonderful.
The first one was Peerless, which was again through Notion.
Right.
And then that motivated me to come out with the second one. So
What is the biggest challenge you faced while you were writing your book?
personally, I am always short of bandwidth.
Right.
Since I'm an investment banker in the corporate world, I write only
Right.
when there are some lean periods or some
Yeah, I don't know how you
weekends and
find
so
any
on.
time. Yeah.
So it takes a lot of time.
Right.
So bandwidth is an issue. But otherwise, if you have something in mind, then it's obviously on the book.
Wow. So we have a huge community of writers on Instagram. What is one piece of advice you would give to a budding writer?
I feel if you have a thought and if you think about something, if you have a story to tell, you should not hesitate. You will get all the help, whether it is publishing, editing, and so on
Right.
and so forth. But make sure you don't lose out on that. So just keep writing.
So just grab that opportunity is what you're saying.
Absolutely.
Right. Thank you so
And
much
let
for
me
sharing.
thank Notion Press for
Oh,
helping
yes.
me with all these initiatives, whether it is editing, getting it published, getting it marketed, and so on.
Right.
That's very
wonderful. I'm glad you had a good experience.
Wonderful experience.
So thank you so much for sharing your experience with us.
Thank you so much.
I hope
Thank
you have
you.
a good book fair.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Now I'll just roam around and find out some good books for myself.
Absolutely, sir. Thank you.
Thank you.
See you around.